Guys, I got a lot of people asking, where do you lubricate your Amarr garage door? Amarr has what's called a half hinge. Right here's our hinge. Kind of goes back behind there. It's a pinch proof hinge. It doesn't look like your normal hinge on a garage door. And then on your ends, you got these funky hinges right there. So, you know, for starters, every single one of these hinges on the ends, if you look close, there's a little hole. I like to stick the nozzle of my garage door lubricant in that hole and just spray a little bit, and it's going to distribute throughout that hinge tube. So put it right up in there. You can see it actually come out right there. Hit that roller. I just like to spray it. I don't know. It just kind of force a habit. Really any kind of moving part, you know, for instance, here's a bearing. I take my lubricant and just put a little shot right in that bearing, you know, because it'll work its way inside and hit the bearings that's inside there. On this particular door, there's like a pulley, you know, so I like to spray that pulley, get some in there, you know, just kind of wipe the rest of that off. I'm going to get a paper towel and wipe that down, but yeah, just hit those because there's bearings inside of there, that casing. Most importantly, you know, you got your torsion spring up here. That's the heart and soul of the door. It makes it work, go up and down, you know. So I just take a few passes. You don't have to get it dripping wet, because once you run it up and down, it's going to work itself through the rest of the spring. Back to your center hinges here. I like to do these when the door's open. So let me open it for you. Yeah, so with the Amarr half hinge, right up in here is kind of where the hinge point is. You know, so I like to just spray that little hinge point. Go on both sides of it. You know, right up in there. Do this with the door open and air it out a little better. And then, you know, if you want to, you know, you can. It doesn't hurt to put a shot down in there. Sometimes you can see the black debris just shoot out the other end. But go through and do, you know, do them all. Do all your hinges, you know. Got to take away a lot of the squeaking, squalling. That point there. You know, just go and spray them all. So, hope this really helped with an Amarr door lubrication. If you keep it up, your door's going to sound and work really, really well. Peace out, guys.